Cooking spaghetti with Italian seasoning, beef, and Cajun seasoning is a flavorful twist, but avoid these 5 common mistakes to make it absolutely perfect. 1. Overcooking the pasta. Mushy spaghetti ruins the texture. Cook it until it's al dente, firm to the bite, and reserve a bit of pasta water for the sauce. 2. Skipping the beef seasoning step. Bland beef will drag down the dish. Season your beef with salt, pepper, and a touch of Cajun spice as it browns for bold flavor. 3. Adding Italian and Cajun seasonings at the wrong time. Italian seasoning should cook gently in the sauce to infuse its flavors, while Cajun seasoning is best added later to avoid bitterness and ensure its kick stays vibrant. 4. Forgetting to build the sauce properly. A great sauce starts with sautéed onions and garlic before adding tomatoes or stock. Don't just dump everything in, layer the flavors for depth. 5. Not balancing the spices. Overusing Cajun seasoning can overpower the Italian flavors. Aim for a balance between the warmth of Cajun spices and the herbaceous notes of Italian seasoning. Taste as you go. Your spaghetti is about to reach a whole new level of bold, balanced, and mouth-watering flavor. Have you made any of these mistakes before? Share your experience. Don't miss out. Follow now for more pasta perfecting tips and cooking hacks.